Hello guys, so today I'm going to be taking you guys on a trip from Ozu-Abam in Arochukwu local government area to Ohafia, and this is around the Omenuko Bridge, that was recently completed by the administration of His Excellency Dr. Alex Oti. The bridge was constructed by Geld Construction Company, so that's the bridge over there. As you can see, it's looking clean, looking good. You would notice that it's still new. It was recently completed, and there's a military checkpoint in front of us, so I had to end the video. So I continued again when I passed the military checkpoint, and this is Ozu-Abam in Arochukwu local government area. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. Happy Sunday to you all, no matter where you're watching me from. I really appreciate. Hope say una go church today. For those who don't wake up, and for those who be say time don't already go, hope say una go church today. So I made this video on a Friday, I think. So as you can see, people on their native going for either funeral of their loved ones, relatives, or so the road was kind of busy the day I made this video. So all this area is called Ozu-Abam in Arochukwu local government area. There's a market in front. I don't know if you're watching this video and you recognize the areas that I'm driving through. You can tell me in the comment section. There's a popular market in front, but I've forgotten the name they told me the market is called. Then there's a school here. If you know this area and you know the name of the school over here, you can tell me also in the comment section. So that's the school. I didn't capture it very well, but now school where they there. So I'm going down straight, and very soon I'm going to be showing you some part of Ohafia. So you know Ohafia, you can tell me in the comment section. I have a lot of videos I made in Ohafia, Ohafia, and the other parts of Ohafia. So stay tuned as I'll be posting such videos here on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button. So this is Ohafia. I don't know the part of Ohafia. This is I know that this is Ohafia. If you recognize this area, maybe through some of the buildings or structures you'll be seeing, like maybe this guest house, or is it a guest house or is it a bar, something like that. When you would on Ohafia, you would know this area. You can also tell us in the comment section so that we can also know that okay, this is the name of this area, because it's my first time here, so I don't really know places, and I didn't go with someone from Ohafia to tell me okay, this is this place or this is that place. And as at the time, at this particular time I was recording this, the part you're seeing, I didn't see a signboard stating this is this area or this is that area, but all I knew that we are in Ohafia. So kindly watch the video down to the end if you can, and if you want to see how Ohafia looks like in March 2026, and just if you can watch down to the end. If you can't, no matter how where you watch and you decide to stop watching, bless up too. I really appreciate you all for always making chance to watch my videos. Please kindly click the share button if you find the video interesting.